This introductory video describes how to sign into CyberScholar and start using its AI-enhanced CyberHelper features. First, go to cgscholar.com to sign into your CGScholar account with your UIUC email and your password. If you do not yet have a CGScholar account, create one here. Next, go to the web address cyberscholar.world and enter with your CGScholar credentials. Notice your dashboard has two helpful tools to help you acquaint yourself with CyberScholar. Next to the word Dashboard, you'll see a blue circle Help icon. Click that, and similar help icons throughout the platform to see more information about your tools. The CyberScholar's carousel highlights the platform's features. Watch this on autoplay, or use the manual controls beneath it to scroll through the platform's enhanced tools. In addition to these two features, CyberScholar has a multilingual assistant to guide you through the platform. Click Assistant at the top of any area in CyberScholar to turn this on. When the Assistant button is clicked on and showing green, find this icon on the bottom right corner of your CyberScholar screen and click it to engage the assistant. White Rabbit. To select your language preference, click the default language to choose a different language from the list. To ask the White Rabbit for help, click the phone icon beneath the White Rabbit to talk to the White Rabbit, or type your message in the Send a Message text area to write to the White Rabbit. To turn off the White Rabbit, click the phone icon in the bottom right corner of the White Rabbit dialog box to turn the White Rabbit off. To close the White Rabbit pane entirely, click off the Assistant at the top of the CyberScholar screen. Above the carousel, click on My Projects to see your assigned projects. In My Projects, select a project card to see instructions and task progress. In My Works, start a new work or access existing works to use CyberScholar's AI-enhanced tools. If you are returning to work on a project, go to My Works, Existing Works, and be sure to select the document attached to the project name shown in a blue box. In the Work Editor, scroll over the top tool icons to familiarize yourself with the CyberHelper tools.
To use a CyberHelper tool, click the blue CyberHelper icon. These icons represent CyberScholar's powerful AI enhancements. For example, click on the blue CyberHelper icon to see the array of 10 useful features CyberScholar offers to help you brainstorm, research, plan, expand, summarize, translate, and proofread your work. The CyberHelper can also check your writing's flow, give advice, or answer other questions. Select the function card you'd like to use. Highlight the passage in your text that you want the CyberHelper to consider, unless you'd like it to consider the whole text. Next, click Get the selection. Click the downward arrow to the right of Configuration to choose your CyberHelper settings, if admins allow on the current step of your project. Use the small black arrow next to Foundational Model to choose the AI model. Select CyberScholar UIUC-KB as your knowledge base. Move the slider to broaden or narrow the AI focus, and if it's applicable to the tool you chose, select the Ways of Knowing, Frontier Research as your rubric agent. When you're done with these settings, click the arrow next to Configuration to close these options. Now, click Run. To read the CyberHelper's response, drag the sidebar toward the left to widen the AI's response area and use the scroll bar down to see all the comments. Use the text message box beneath the CyberHelper's response to ask follow-up questions, ask for a shorter summary, etc. After you type your message, use the blue send icon so the CyberHelper can read your message. Continue to converse back and forth with the CyberHelper as needed. Find records of your previous CyberHelper uses in the current session by clicking this icon.
To save a printed copy of a CyberHelper tool dialog, click the printer icon above the response. If you have disabled pop-ups in your browser's settings, the PDF won't print, so be sure to enable pop-ups for this site in your browser setting for this function to work. Or, if it's more convenient, use an incognito window to circumvent the pop-up blocking setting.
We hope you enjoy signing into CyberScholar and exploring the CyberHelper tools. Please use the companion document to this video and contact Michelle Gala if you need assistance.